cubs play, racing, chasing, scrambling over lionesses, and oops, tumbling. So roar, bold lions, roar. Where's the mummy lion? That's right. Where's the Jefferson lion? Where's the William lion? And what about Daddy? How does Daddy go? Wrinkly elephants love mud wallowing, squishy squashy, squishy squashy, squelching, trunks sucking, and swoosh, water squirting. So wallow, wrinkly elephants, wallow. Where's the baby elephant? Baby. Stripy zebras are fast galloping, dum-diddy-dum, hooves drumming, manes wriggling, tails flying. So gallop, stripy zebras, gallop. Where's the baby zebra? Baby horsey?
Dear, I see.
Where's the mummy horse?
Dear, I see.
Is there a bar horse?
Bowsers.
And nanny horse?
I see to nanny.
This is for nanny. What about Uncle Hamish horse?
Dear.
Good boy. Fierce tigers love prowling through the jungle, slowly slinking, softly creeping, no growling. So prowl, tigers, prowl. Tall giraffes love stretching, long necks going up, reaching, black tongues flicking, lips leaf picking. So stretch, tall giraffes, stretch. Where's the mummy giraffe?
Dear. Trap.
And where's the baby giraffe?
Dear trap.
Where's the other baby giraffe?
Dear.
Good boy.
Baby trap.
Where's the mummy giraffe?
Trap. Baby trap.
Where's the daddy giraffe?
Dear.
Good boy. He's eating the tree. Spunky monkeys love swinging, angling, and opening their giant mouths. Till all their teeth are showing. So swim, plump hippos, swim. Where's the baby hippo? Good boy. Where's the mummy hippo? That's right. Spotty leopards love climbing, up tree trunks zipping, sharp claws gripping, among the green leaves, crouching, hiding. So climb, spotty leopards, climb. Giant pandas love munching, bamboo seeking, bamboo finding, leaves chewing, tough stalks grinding. So munch, giant pandas, munch. Bear. A bear, is it? So is a baby bear? Baby bear? Bouncy kangaroos love jumping, hopping, bounding, and bumping. Little Joe in the pouch, eyes peeping. So jump, bouncy kangaroos, jump. Jackson, where's the baby roo? You looking for the camera? Oh, Jackson, look at this one, bear. You see the bear?